Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing insurance in the context of retirement visas, and the insurance specifically pertains to COVID-19. And I'm going to go ahead and quote an article from Bangkok Post print edition. This is from Thursday, October 21, 2021. Article is titled Health Cover Perks for Foreigners. And this article for me was kind of difficult to read. And in a sense, it was almost an exercise in a level of cognitive dissonance. I a couple of times was wondering if it was written in newspeak from George Orwell's 1984. I'll explain why in a moment, but quoting directly, the Public Health Ministry is expanding the health insurance ceiling covering COVID-19 treatment to at least 100,000 US, that's 3 million baht, for non-immigrant visa OA applicants to bolster their confidence to stay in the kingdom. Well, I question whether anybody had any lack of confidence that, if their confidence needed bolstering about staying in the kingdom. And as we've discussed in other videos, this is essentially a new insurance requirement associated with the OA retirement visa as a practical matter. So quoting further, Deputy Public Health Minister Satit Pitutecha said yesterday the health insurance criteria have been revised for foreigners who hold the non-immigrant visa type OA for a one-year stay. The change came into effect on Tuesday. And as we've discussed, effectively it's not going to have a lot of impact on folks until probably at the earliest August of next year. This may be let me stress this is me just kind of giving my opinion. This may be one of those things that kind of gets rolled out and then it either gets tinkered with over time or maybe even walked back, because I just see a lot of issues with this. But okay, moving forward, quoting again directly, the health insurance ceiling for foreigners holding this type of visa would be expanded from 40,000 baht for outpatient care and 400,000 baht for inpatient care to at least 3 million baht, which covers medical expenses and COVID-19 treatment. Well, let's kind of walk through this a minute. The 400,000 and the 4 and 4, as I call it, 400,000 baht inpatient, 40,000 baht outpatient. That was brought online in October of 2019 to not great fanfare. Let me just put it that way. Folks were not real happy about this insurance requirement when it came online. And now it's being expanded upon. And it appears there's going to be more insurance requirements moving forward. We're kind of still working through the dynamics of this. We'll certainly be making more videos as we come to kind of get a better grip on how this exactly is going to be implemented. But the Bangkok Post, at least, is sort of billing this as a perk. Well, it's a good thing. Well, I depending on how you see it, I've dealt with a lot of retirees over here, and many retirees will often tell me, hey, I don't view the insurance requirement as onerous at all. I want to have some kind of coverage here in Thailand. Totally understandable. That said, and again, we've done other videos on this discussing these expansions and this insurance expansion and this requirement and how exactly it's going to come in. Again, it seems to only apply, at least for now, to OA visa holders. Doesn't seem to pertain to O retirement visa holders. But I just thought it was a little bit, I hesitate to say disingenuous, but it was very weird reading this article because, again, it's sort of billed as this perk, which I think many who have an OA retirement visa might not necessarily view it the same way.